Hi, I'm Kay from the Melbourne Trichology Hair Loss channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Today's video has been inspired by a few of my young male patterned hair loss patients that had booked surgery overseas prior to consulting with myself or any other hair loss specialist. So, a few tips to keep you safe before you pay your overseas fees. The first thing you should do is book in with a local hair transplant surgeon. They will establish if you're a good candidate for hair transplant surgery. Just because you want surgery doesn't mean we should be giving you surgery. So, your hair transplant surgeon will establish one, if you're a good candidate, how many grafts you will need, and are you on medication. Being on medication is crucial to hair growth and keeping your hair. Just because you have hair transplants, it doesn't mean you're going to keep all your hair. You'll keep your grafts and they will just age naturally. However, if you don't take medications such as minoxidil and finasteride for men or minoxidil and spironolactone for women, you will lose the rest of your hair over time. So in the first couple of years or few years, it might seem like this is great, but without medication, the rest of the hair will go and you will be left with unnatural hair loss. And you don't want that. You don't want to be left with just some bitemporal hairs here and the rest of it gone. So really important that you consider medication. Really important you consult with a local hair transplant surgeon. They're not going to try and talk you into having surgery with them, but they're definitely going to keep you safer and give you some really sound advice. Now, at the end of this video, Dr. Mario Massola, who's one of my favorite hair transplant surgeons, has given me some names of overseas recommendations. So I have hair transplant surgeon in Thailand, Brazil, Turkey, and India. So if you do want to go overseas and have transplants, perhaps consult with one of these consultants and compare. The price might be a little bit more than some of the other surgeons overseas, but you're going to be safer. And you want to be safer and you want sound advice. So you'll have your advice from your local hair transplant surgeon, then you can talk to one of our overseas recommendations, and then we're here at Melbourne Trichology for you and your hair loss journey. I'll see you next week.